And looking to put the disappointment of not having their most recent Under-20 world record ratified, Jamaica's women's sprint relay Under-20 Quartet has that mark in their sights, heading into the World Under-20 Championships. And as we'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, the nation's men's and women's athletes are also targeting individual success.
Under-20 sprint world record holders Tia Clayton and Serena Cole agrees with Tina Clayton's statement on Primetime Sports Thursday that if the quartet gets the baton around, they can lower the record. Unfortunately, at the Character Championship earlier this year, with Brianna Liston on the team, the record that was lowered was not ratified by World Athletics as one member of the team wasn't tested.
Very, very strong team. I think we have a solid team. I think the team is versatile in terms of events. I think everyone has the mindset to go out there and do their best.
Well, going out there for the relay, it's going to be an amazing performance. I know my teammates are going to do their best. I'm going to go out there as well and give them the start that all is expecting from me. So we will come back with a new world record, hopefully.
I know that I will anchor the team to victory as I normally do, and to a world record.
On the girls' side, athletes in individual events are also backing themselves for a podium finish.
I'm just going out there to do my best performance. However, probably a medal in there somewhere. But I'm just going out there to execute my race and do my best.
Champs around the 200 in 23.1, and going into this championship, I'd like to break 23 seconds. I don't put limits on myself, so I know that I can do it by the grace of God. So I'm just going out there to do the best.
I'm executing my race by going out there and doing my best, and I know my best will get me like a personal best, and it will give me like a good placement at the championship.
And the boys are no different.
Everyone knows me for a fast starter and a person who doesn't master the last 20 meters, and that's what I've been working on for the past few weeks, so I'm very excited for the future.
Oh, I'm only doing the 800. I really want to get to the finals and to hit that target of 146 that I've been trying after for so long. It's a goal for me this year.
The World Under-20 Championship will run from August 1 to 6 in Cali, Colombia. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.